Hello buddies, so did you check my recent post on Instagram? This one. So this is one single post where I have two images, one is vertical and the other one is horizontal. So did you check that? One is vertical, the second one is horizontal in Instagram. Is that possible for you to make a single post with one horizontal image and one vertical image? No, right? Instagram is quite bad with its image upload ratios. So in this video we are going to solve this issue, and by the way we are going to talk more about the Instagram Creator Studio. So for this you need to have an Instagram creator account or a business account. Only then you can do this and you can have access to the Instagram Creator Studio. So before starting the video, I am Carrier from India. We talk photography, filmmaking and other creator helping social media stuffs. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So yes guys, now let's see all the various functions of the Instagram Creator Studio and also the way to upload a single post with vertical and horizontal photos. So yes, as I said earlier, to do this you must have a business account or a creator account. Now we are going to open the Instagram Creator Studio. I'll just put the link down in the description. Just click on that link and log in, and you will have access to Instagram Creator Studio where you have various variety of options that we are going to discuss in this video. So yeah, just log in and you will have a window like this. So just click the link on the description and you will be directed to this page. Just click on the Get Started button. So once you click, it will be directed to the Creator Studio of Facebook. So just close all these alerts and you will have two options, one for Facebook and one for Instagram at the top. So now we are going to the Instagram Creator Studio. So click on the Instagram icon at the top. So now you will be asked to link your Instagram account. So just click on that and enter your Instagram login ID password to just link your Instagram account with the Creator Studio. So once done, you will get this view of the Instagram Creator Studio where you have three tabs at the left. One is Content Library and the second one is Insights and third one is Instagram Accounts. For some people, after you get monetization, you will have the fourth tab as monetization here. So first let's see the Content Library where you have all the posts in many navigation bars. So these navigation bars include all content, video, photo, carousel, stories and IGTV. So you will have all the posts that you have made on Instagram here in different sections. You can just scroll down to see them all, their views, their likes and their comments and the publishing date and post status. Everything is available here in tables. So just click on any one of the posts so that you can have the view of that corresponding post. You can also edit or delete multiple posts with the options at the top. You can also use filters to filter the post based on its status or based on the day in which it is posted. So if you click any one of the posts, it will look like this, and we can also see the insights that is also available in our mobile Instagram app. So these are the insights that can be seen through the Instagram Creator website, and the same is for IGTV post details. So you can also see the audience retention here. So from the starting to end, how much the audience watched the video is available here. So we can just close this. Now we can see how we can add both vertical and horizontal photos in just one Instagram post. So just click on the Create Post button and click on Instagram Post, and just click on the Add Content button after adding your description and location details, etc. So when you click on the Add Content post, a pop-up box will raise to select the images. You can just select both horizontal and vertical images now. So after selecting, the images will be available on the screen. So if you click open, both the images are now available. Now we need to click on the crop icon and just click on landscape or vertical or square. So here I am clicking the vertical button as this is a vertical image. I am going to the second photo and clicking on the same crop option and clicking on the landscape button as this is a horizontal image. So once I click the landscape, now the image is selected as a landscape image. So just click save. One image is vertical and one image is horizontal. Now I will just post the image to Instagram. Just click on the publish button. So your image is posted. So now if you go and see your Instagram account, you will have one Instagram post with both vertical and horizontal images. So it looks quite weird in the Instagram PC website, while in your mobile it just automatically adjusts itself based on the mobile view. So as you see, one photo is vertical and the other photo is horizontal. So that's how we can post both horizontal and vertical photos in Instagram. So the same way, we also add IGTV posts through the create post button. So we are not going to do that, so we'll just close, and going to the inside tab we have two options, activity and audience. So in the inside tab you can have all the insights that are available for your account. You can see various options like actions taken on your account based on the number of days and the number of website visits. So basically I keep my YouTube videos link in the website column of my profile. So there are 63 website visits in the last 7 days and 542 profile visits in the last 7 days for my account. So we don't have any calls or texts or emails or other get direction, those options and all. So we'll just leave that, and we have other more insights like accounts reached in the past 1 week or past 1 year. You can just use the filters to filter your insights and check your insight values. And if you click on the audience tab, you can also see the number of audiences that you have in your Instagram accounts, that's your followers. Age of the followers, the gender of the followers can be seen here. So I have most of the followers from the age 16 to 35 around, and genders we have 700 something male and 300 something female. So here you also have options to find when your followers are on Instagram. You have two options, that is weekly and hourly basis. You can just click on them and explore yourself. So you can also check where your followers are from based on countries or from cities. So most of my followers are from India and from Chennai. We also have followers from US, Canada, United Kingdom and United Arab Emirates. And based on the cities, we have followers from Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Bangalore. So that's it for the Insights tab. And the third tab is Instagram account, where you can add multiple Instagram accounts in a single Instagram Creator Studio. So that's it for this Creator Studio options. There will be more updates in future. So do check out this Instagram Creator Studio, guys. Yes guys, that's it for this video. I hope you got to know how to make an Instagram post with both vertical and horizontal photos. If you want more photography and filmmaking tips, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and you can follow me on Instagram at Girish Kerrio. For regular notifications, click on the bell icon and you will get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So that's it for this video guys. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Kerrio signing off.